Today, let's explore the word abandon. This is an essential word with many uses. Now, let's take a look at the definition. According to the Oxford Dictionary, abandon means to leave someone or something behind, usually in a careless, sudden, or unplanned way. In other words, when you abandon something or someone, you let go of them without caring about what happens next, often leaving them in an unfortunate situation. Let's look at 5 simple examples of abandon in sentences so you can fully understand how to use it in different situations. Sentence 1. The dog was abandoned at the park and was found the next day by a kind family. The dog was abandoned at the park and was found the next day by a kind family. Sentence 2. She abandoned her plans to go on vacation because of an unexpected work meeting. She abandoned her plans to go on vacation because of an unexpected work meeting. Sentence 3. They had to abandon the building when the fire alarm went off. They had to abandon the building when the fire alarm went off. Sentence 4. He abandoned his old bicycle in the alley, leaving it rusty and broken. He abandoned his old bicycle in the alley, leaving it rusty and broken. Sentence 5. The captain of the ship ordered everyone to abandon ship when it began sinking. The captain of the ship ordered everyone to abandon ship when it began sinking. Now take a moment and read these sentences once again. As you can see, abandon can be used to describe many situations, whether it's leaving an object behind, changing your plans, or even situations where you need to leave something behind for safety. It's an important word to know because it helps you express feelings of letting go or leaving something or someone in a difficult situation. Learning new words every day is such a powerful way to improve your English skills. Imagine how much more confident you'll feel when you can easily use new vocabulary in your conversations. If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.